Good. I hope you are running with the topic, which is called as a data visualization. So let's move on. Yeah. So let's open the material. And here we can see. I'm sure this code I need to explain, I guess. Am I right or not, sir? Right. So I will explain. Currently, we are working with the topic. The topic name is called as a data visualization. Here we are working with the second library. What library? The library name is called as a Seaborn. The so-called, what is the first library? Chappan, sir. Very good. Matplotlib actually correct. Matplotlib. The second one is called as a Seaborn actually. So this one is the first library. This one is the second one. Okay, we are good to go. Whenever you are working with the Seaborn library, make a note on this one. I have taken one public data set. I have taken what exactly, sir? Public data set actually. The public data set name is called as a Titanic data set. What data set? Titanic. Let me tell you, Titanic is nothing but a data. It is having some data. So that data, what is the main motto for Titanic actually? There is a ship. People entered into that ship actually. Unfortunately, so that was sink in a ocean. Then few people survived, few people not survived. Survived. What might be the reason? Not survived. What might be the reason? Best example, what do you mean by analysis? If something happened, why it happened? That is called as an analysis. Best example, so in Amirpet, some fire accident happened. What happened? Definitely there is a root cause. Definitely there is a, if fire accident happened, right? People will listen and they will live actually. If anyone counter question, oh, fire accident. Why? What happened? At what time it was happened? In between how many people are available? How many, so it was really affected actually. So at what time it happened? What might be the reason? If you wanted to understand, if you are digging more and more, called as an analysis, sir. That is called as, best example, you got 100 out of 100 in your score actually. Definitely there is a reason. You done really hard work actually. You done really? Yeah. So that's what we're doing. So when you're talking about the Titanic data set, few guys are survived and others not survived. What exactly? Not survived. Not survived. What might be the reason? So what might be the reason for survive and not survive? And what exactly, sir? Not survive actually. So simple. That's it. Survive avadanika reason enti, survive avapodanaiki reason enti. Then let's do the data analysis. Let's do what exactly? If you want to do more explanation, we need to do the data analysis. We need to do data analysis. We can do data analysis by using pandas and data visualization. By using what exactly? Pandas and data visualization. Good, good. Make a note on this. So yesterday I explained almost survived. So the survived scenario. First one based on, what is the first one? Based on class. Yeah. The next one survived. Next one based on class, and next one is a class మీద dependent ఉంటుంది, gender మీద dependent ఉంటుంది. The next one Talk with me. Class, gender. Very good. Hope you know. So first two I have explained. Third one also I have explained. I hope code I kept park actually. Code explain చేసినట్లే I still remember kada. Otherwise did I explain? Your silence indicates to who knows Daniel. Yeah, good, good. Yeah, yeah. Let's open this. Go for. You can just try to. Let's understand the survival rate of gender, age, and what exactly class actually. Make a note on this one. Yeah, I hope these are all things. Output I have explained. Code I didn't explain. Make a note on this one. First of all, import the required libraries. Loading the data set. To load this data set, internet connection is required. If you don't have internet connection, you will get a HTTP error. Connection lost error. There are different errors you will get actually. While loading also, if your laptop is a bit slow, you may feel little slow actually. Make a note on this one. Listen carefully. Inside this data frame, yeah, good Daniel. So there is a column name is a A's. There is a column name is a, and A's column, Daniel, I just wanted to partition like a 0 to 18 one category, 18 to 80 another category. We can divide like this actually. Though you are giving 0, 18, 80, here you will get, 0 to 18, category number 1. What is the next one, sir? 18 to 80, category number 2. Sir, this is the syntax actually. Previously, one student asked a question. I don't have answer also. In answer code cheppaledu. Sir, can I say this one is off tuple and off list actually? How can we say, sir? మీకు అర్థమైందా సార్? ఎందుకంటే parenthesis తో స్టార్ట్ అయ్యి లిస్ట్ తో క్లోజ్ అవుతుంది కదా. Can I say off tuple and off list actually? Sir, please. Conclusion of the story, according to the syntactical, we are getting this output actually. Don't create your own syntax. మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా సార్? Let's continue. No. Let me tell you. Output they are formatting in this way. Output వాళ్ళు అలా ఫార్మేట్ చేస్తున్నారు సార్. It is in between 0 to 18, sir. That's it. In between to 0 to 18. Yeah, correct. But anyway, though you might be applied Excel knowledge actually, Excel, but it will be like, if you're thinking like a Python knowledge actually, so we can think like what exactly, Python creation and list creation actually. I mean, you may think like that. Good. Fine then, make a note on this one. There is a pandas, there is a function name is a cut. What is a function name? I mean, if you want, you can just try to divide the data in categories actually, 0 to 18, 18 to 80. Daniel, can I apply in between more categories? You can apply, sir, up to you. What I will apply, 0 to 18, 18 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80 also you can apply. If you want, you can elaborate more actually. Then now all differentiations are ready. All categories are ready. Now this one I wanted to apply this one. There is a one method name is a pivot. Pivot or pivot, anything you can say. Okay, pivoting. And you need to call a column name is a survived man. What is the column name? Hey Daniel, do one thing. How many of them survived? So kindly please make a note. Ensure that based on gender, based on age actually, based on class actually. And I just wanted to differentiate based on age also. And here you need to provide. So the one what we have, prepared here actually. So simple. Pivot table, it is taking especially parameter number 1, parameter number 2, parameter number 3. That's it actually. Make a note on this one. Here the second parameter should be kind of some, you can just try to take a column name, and here it is taking cutting of edges actually. We done this example. Distribution plot. Make a note, sir. Important actually. What is the plot name? Any idea? Distribution plot. Distribution. What do you mean by that actually? Let's take this one. Sir, on x-axis I'm planning to plot fare column. Fare. Ticket price. What price? Ticket price. And here you can try to observe actually, so here you can see 50 tickets, 100 tickets, 150, these are all count actually. Ensure that, please make a note on this one. In between 0 to 100 cost, can I say not even in between 0 to 100, in between 0 to I can say 60, more tickets sold out actually. Avuna kada sir? Can you tell me this category is called as a, ఈ category name అనొచ్చో తెలుసా? General or third class actually. Am I right or not, sir? Conclude, even let me tell you, whenever you are traveling over the train actually, sleepers are more. S1, S2, S3, S4 till S10. But tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 kind of some, so S1, I hope HA1, yeah, A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, HA1, these are all very rare actually. Chala takkuga untayi blocks actually. Okay. Make a note on this one. Here we can observe more tickets are sold out here actually. ఇక్కడ ఎక్కువ టికెట్స్ ఉన్నాయి actually. Conclusion of the story, the data falls more here. ఇక్కడ ఎక్కువ డేటా ఉందని మీరు అర్థం చేసుకోవాలి. ఓకే, ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ 0 to 50 there is a more data. ఎక్కువ ఉందని మీరు అర్థం చేసుకోవాలి. ఓకే, then how to draw that one. So simple SN of dist plot and DF of where KD equals to false. I will tell you what is that. Let us import this. Did I explain Notepad++? Notepad++ చెప్పానా మేడం? కోడింగ్. demo1.py. All files. Save this one. Let us load the data. Let me get the data frame. Cool. We'll get an output actually. Yeah, good. We are getting an output. Daniel, try to create a distribution plot. When you're calling a distribution plot, what I'm passing actually integer related column. I mean, there is a column having integer data. Now the next one. I wanted to draw the diagram, Daniel, actually. Yeah, good. You need to call a show function. What function? Show function. Okay, cool. You are getting kind of some warning, right? Hey, Daniel, I don't want this warning, Daniel. Then you can just try to get this one. Yeah, shouldn't. I mean to say, can you see here more than 500 pounds actually? Did you notice yesterday I called describe method? There is a fair column. Minimum I have shown. What is the minimum? 0. The next one is a maximum also. Okay. Make a note on this one. Yeah, this one is a maximum. The one who taken the price value here actually. Okay. Good. We'll do one thing. Let's delete this one. After delete this one, let us draw the diagram. You will get kind of some curve shape row actually. That is called as a, yeah, children sir. The curve shape row, it can talk like, Daniel, here more data. Here what exactly, sir? From here to here, more data actually compared to all other areas. I mean to say here less data, here less data, here less data, but here more data, sir. It is also called as a normal distribution. When you're talking about the math actually, normal distribution. What distribution? The normal distribution diagram looks like a peak actually. అంటే ఒక పర్వతాన్ని గనక మీరు చూస్తే ఎలా ఉంటుంది, like a mountain shape actually. What shape man? It talks like, here more data. ఇంకా మీకు నార్మల్ గా జనరల్ గా చెప్పాలి అంటే, I hope everyone knows Telugu, few people don't know. You can go to the sea actually, near to the sea, take a sand తీసుకుని మనం ఇలా కింద పోస్తే గనక, did you know in middle the more sand actually కదా? Exactly. Here also same thing like that. If you wanted to recognize where exactly more data, you no need to pass this one actually. So otherwise, you wanted to hide that line. KD equals to false, you need to pass. That's it. Distribution, the name itself is talking. I wanted to know how the data distributed from minimum, mean value, median, maximum actually. Yeah, correct. Jyoti boss. Go back, move on. Yeah. Hold on. To create a distribution plot, we need to call so and so function. This will create the histogram. This will create, you should know by this time. We can plot the price of ticket for every passenger actually. Quite interesting, sir. And the above plot shows that the most of the tickets have been sold out in between 0 to $50 actually. Get ready. 0 to 50 pounds, I guess actually. It's okay, cool. Next one is a box plot. Here also box plot came, sir. Box plot, as I told you, I promised you, we will cover later. I will cover what exactly, sir? Cover later actually. Am I right? During matplotlib also I told actually. Box plot and the next one will be one more plot. ఇలా diagram ఉంటే గనక these are all things I can talk later actually. There is a lot of meaning. While and plot also. While and plot and box plot almost similar, but box plot looks like a box. While and plot looks like the diagram is like a violin actually. Violin lo ఉంటుంది. Apart from that, nothing. Means during maths I will cover. Yeah, good. Word cloud, sir, important. During interview they will ask, especially this one is a bit important actually. What is the topic name? Word cloud actually. Now look at the output. You will get an idea. Kind of some you are able to see, right? There is a one small image. In that image, data science it is in big letter actually. And the next letter will be good word actually. And remaining all are similar words I guess actually. Am I right or not, sir? We'll do one thing. First I will explain what is this one. You will get an idea. Imagine there is a text data. There is what data, sir? Text data. A kind of some text would you have. And in between, text means in the sense string data. What data, sir? Now I just wanted to know, I would like to say Daniel. The next one will be Daniel. The next one, Daniel. The next one, otherwise hold on, sir. First transaction, success. Second transaction, failed. Third transaction, success actually. Good, I have one small question for you. TXN, how many times it is available? 1, 2, 3, very good. TX means transaction. What is the next priority? Success, very good. What is the next one? We'll do one thing. We can create a text plot. I mean, we'll create one small image. You will get an idea. Indirectly, the frequency of the word. What is that, sir? Frequency. Let us take a TXN. That word came many number of times. Then you will get a bold letter actually. Teaching is challenging, sir. You will get this one is a bold letter actually. What letter, man? Bold letter actually. Bold letter. I started my teaching in the year of a long back. After I got a job in 2000, then 2014. I mean, especially I started teaching. In between till 2018, I have given the session. I don't know, suddenly I thought I need a break actually. I have taken the break till 2 years actually. How long time, sir? 2 years. Trust me, I got many offers actually. Many offers for teaching. Teaching is really blessing, but at the same time, remember it is very tough actually. Trying my best. Every time why I used to consume water, you don't know, sir. Keep on in to talk actually. Okay, good. Fine then. Sorry to disturb you. Let us move on actually. Let me take this one. You can just set observe here. Good. So simple, sir. Yeah, let me ask you a question. What is this? Class. Very good. And let me tell you, package name and class name are similar. This one is a very rare case. Chala rare guntundila. But anyway, this you can recognize actually. I will do one thing. You can just try to come here. Daniel text, you can provide this. When I say CC, I mean to say credit code, CC, credit code transaction success. Second transaction, think like, bank actually. Third transaction, think like, so third transaction again, think like, CC actually. Conclusion of this story, CC means credit code. Credit code transaction, success is the more actual. Credit code transaction success is more actually. Banking transaction may be failing. They will find out the reason. When you're talking about the Amazon is getting the transactions from different formats actually. There are different payment gateways. I mean to say somebody can use credit card, debit card, phone pay also nowadays. Chapan sir. Yeah, I don't know, you guys looks dull, but please be active, sir. We are creating an object for this. Good. We are creating an object for this. Then after object creation, we need to call a method. Method name is a generate method. What method? Generate method. And text we are passing. Now the last 4 lines you can understand later. First of all, I wanted to tell one thing. This word cloud belongs to, there is a topic in data science. The topic name is called as a NLP. What is the topic? NLP in the sense natural language processing. One more time. Natural language processing. During that time I will explain more. But anyway, let me run this example, sir. Let me just try to run this example. You will get an idea. You need to install word cloud. I'm not sure. Good man. I'm pretty sure you got to understand actually what is going on. CC bold letter actually, TXN also bold letter, failed small letter, success also small letter actually. Which one is bold letter, man? CC, next one is a TXN. Right, good. Make a note actually. You can just try to come here. 1, 2. Same thing like that. CC also one time. I mean, this one also one time actually. Me kar do in the sir. We'll do one thing. Daniel, 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 how many times? Let's rerun one more time. ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి run చేద్దాం చూడండి. And let us make it, this one will be credit card, debit card actually. DC means debit card. You will understand the differentiation. That's what I'm writing actually. By looking at this one, you can easy to understand. Daniel, there is a sentence. In that sentence, which word came bold letter actually? Indirectly, that word many number of times it is available. The next priority word, transaction. All other words are similar actually. Normal ga undi. Success is, CC is one time, DC is one time, failed is one time, bank is one time actually. Meeku ardhamainda leda sir? You might have seen this kind of images here and there a long back actually. There is image. If you want, you can run one more time. It will represent in a different way. If you want, you can apply colors also. Color that you can apply actually. Yeah, you can apply. Yeah. Cool. Now let me explain this one. Take this example, creating a word cloud. Word cloud example. Students, sir, very, very important. Go back and here I can see a word cloud is a data visualization technique. This technique displays the most used words in a large font and the least least used words in a small font. It helps to get an idea about what exactly mean. So sometimes I may get a one big paragraph. In that big paragraph, I wanted to know which word repeated many number of times actually. Then you can apply word cloud. You can apply. That's the best example. Go for news article. Open newspaper. Definitely they may use one repeated common word actually. Copy paste that paragraph. Apply this technique actually. You will understand what is that paragraph is talking actually. Am I right? If anyone is talking, imagine if there is a word commonly repeating, that is a focused word actually. A word మీద మనం focus చేయాలి actually. Am I right or not, sir? Imagine I have one friend. He will tell always, yesterday I came from flight. Tomorrow I am going for a flight actually. Day after tomorrow I am going for a flight. Then what I need to focus? Exactly. That is the main motto actually. Did you understand or not, sir? Good. If anybody is repeating a specific word is number of times, actually you have to focus on that word actually. What is my focus word? Na session lo focus word ente? Practice. And next one will be keyword augment also. Am I right or not, sir? Good. Nice, nice. Very important. I will tell you very important also, sir. Supriya Garu. Good, sir. Thank you. It is very important. I used to tell. Okay. Fine then. Good. Sir, this we have to install. To install this one, pip install word cloud, you need to apply actually. So I hope you know how to install. Pip install. Go to the command prompt and you have to install this. Now let me explain the code actually. So what we need to do is matplotlib to create the diagram. So the diagram we can create by using matplotlib only. Tim, there is a library or package. The package name itself is called as a word cloud. Instead of that one, there is a class name is a word cloud. There is a class name is word cloud actually. Make a note. 1 minute. Sir, you belongs to same batch. Which batch actually? Yeah. How are you? Yeah, good to see you. Yeah. Good to see you. Good. Break enduku and exam, sir. Yeah. How you have written? Good, sir. I'm sure you will pass all subjects actually. Good, man. Fine then. So, yeah, let me take one small sentence actually. The sentence will be DC transaction. A kind of one small sentence I am taking. Daniel, kindly please. One more beauty, let me tell you. The power of this technique will be this is Daniel. This is Daniel. This is Daniel. Daniel actually. Good. When you're talking about the word cloud, it will apply grammar. It will apply grammar. And it will try to identify which word is important and which word is not important actually. Let me run the diagram. This how many times came? 3 times. Is how many times? Daniel how many times? Daniel how many times? Draw the diagram. The power of this will be, sir, here it is not contributing actually in the given sentence. That's the really power. Don't think like, sir, this available 100 times actually. Word cloud will tell, go back. Boss, go boss. This word is not much important actually. It will apply the grammar. It will try to identify which word is important and which word is not important. Not important words, it will delete actually. That not important words names is called as a stop word. What word? It knows which word it's supposed to stop. It will not allow actually. It will not allow. Highly impossible. మీకు అర్థమైందా సార్? Very good, sir. One small point. Backend, it will apply one topic. The topic name is called as a stop word topic actually. What topic? Stop words. Stop words actually. This is NLP technique. This we'll discuss during NLP topic actually. Let's open the material. Material open చేస్తాను చూడండి. ekkadun sir? Somewhere you can say, I'm sure. Stop force removal. What is the topic? It will identify which one is important and which one is not important, and ikkada untadi list mottham actually. This ఖచ్చితంగా ఇక్కడ ఉండాలి. That's what it was removed actually. It has a list what to remove, what not to remove. Unda ikkada this? It should be sir. Next one will be is also. Yeah, is also it is available actually. You can, I mean, during NLP you will understand. During NLP you will understand. Can I continue? Yeah, good. It will drop. Let me explain the remaining code. Man, simple sir. There is a one class. That class we have to import. Once we have imported actually, you need to create an object. Yeah, we are creating an object for the whole line. After that, you need to call a method. Method name is a generate. What is the method name? Simple, straight to the point. These are all image size, keyword argument actually. So plt dot, keyword argument. I am show. I am show means you will get a grayscale image. What image? Grayscale image. The image what you are getting, it is called as a grayscale image. What is grayscale image? Do you have any other images? Computer vision topic actually. I can talk with you later. plt dot access. This one is still off. I mean, did you remember plt dot access equals to previously what I have given equal? Now, though it is not a pie chart actually. First of all, regarding access parameter, we can talk later. I know there are few topics you will understand later. PLT means show means we are getting an output actually. Are you with me? This topic name is called as a Chapan sir, word cloud. We have to install the library. The library name is a word cloud. Next topic, sunburst plot. Sunburst, what exactly? Plot. This one also, let me draw the example. Let me draw the image actually. Then you will get an idea. Sometimes I wanted to create a dynamic plot, Daniel. What plot actually? Dynamic plot. What do you mean by that? Dynamic, you can also call as a hierarchical diagram. I will tell you. What do you mean by that actually? Let me draw this example. Example, sir, మనం draw చేద్దాం చూడండి. Good. Hold on, I will tell you. One small point. The moment when you run this diagram, this program, automatically browser is supposed to be open. What's supposed to be open? Browser. It will open, sir. Please be patient. See. Yeah, browser opened, Daniel. In browser, you can see the output actually. Instead of image, in browser, you can see output actually. Still it is loading. Yeah, good. So here you can see actually. Please look at my screen. Here you can see. What is the specialty of this one actually? Hold on, Control 0. Sorry. First of all, let me explain. So there are two circles. One is outer circle, next one is inner circle. Kindly please make a note, in inner circle we would have a day names. This one is a Saturday, Sunday, Thursday, Friday. Good. We would have different dates. Tim, let me tell you Saturday, there is a one small restaurant, think like in USA. Male, they went to restaurant, and female also they went to restaurant. Once after they done their lunch or dinner, and they can give some tips actually. They can give some what exactly? This data set is a tips data set, one of the public data set actually. Right. Here you can identify, click on Saturday and it will, it can dance like anything actually. You can just have to click on this one, and here you can identify this portion is more male, they have given more tips actually. This one is a female portion, and click on Sunday actually. like this actually. Sir, that's what anything is possible. Equal priority. మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా సార్? Yeah, it is called as a hierarchical diagram. What diagram? Hierarchical diagram. But let me tell you for your better understanding. Uh, Being a data scientist, data visualization is, let me tell you, not much important. అంత important కాదు. But you should have an idea. You should have an idea. Being a data scientist, Daniel, what is important? Model creation is important. What is important, sir? What do you mean by model creation? Machine learning is important. Go to the 10th class. If anybody is asking what is important subject actually, can somebody say Hindi, English actually? No, sir. Math or what exactly science? Same thing like that. Physics also. Good. You like physics, sir? Okay, good. Fine then. Same thing like that in a data science. There are some core topics actually. The core topic is a machine learning. Core topic is a, but remaining topics you should aware. You should aware. You should understand actually. Okay, like that actually. When it comes to data visualization, yo, trust me, sir, no logical thinking. Just you need to copy the code, you need to paste, you will get an output actually. Just you need to understand where the data, how it is coming, that's it actually. Are you with me or not, sir? That's what you need to be understand. So don't be serious over the data visualization, and you have to be master in machine learning. To become as a master, to become master in machine learning, the prerequisite is Python pandas. Prerequisite is, sir, my favorite topic is the machine learning. My favorite topic actually. I'm sure the moment when I started ML actually, you will become machine learning ML engineer. No doubt in that actually. No doubt in that. The condition will be you should not sleep during the session. Okay. Yeah, fine then. Let me draw this example. Yeah. We can add, sir. This is the library. Here you can see. Like you mean to say, nested. We can do actually. In this library, we can get more and more. Okay, Plotly. Library name is the Plotly. A sunburst plot is a very popular data visualization technique used to visualize hierarchical data. It is every level of hierarchy. It is represented with one circle, whereas the innermost nested circle or ring is the highest level of what exactly hierarchy. Pip install Plotly. You have to be installed. Then we need to continue actually. Please work on this. We'll get an idea. Let's continue. We are good to go. This is about the data visualization. Still, I have kept hold box plot and what exactly, sir? Violin plot. The good news will be, I mean to say, the data visualization. Here we done actually. Did I uploaded this one? I will upload actually. Then next one will be Power BI. This is upcoming topic. Don't worry. Data visualization still we can do by using Power BI. I only cover. We have a separate material. All right. So after this one, the next topic name is called as a NumPy, sir. What is the topic name? NumPy actually. Get ready to understand. Cheppandi. In which diagram, sir? Distribution. Okay. Let's open distribution. Cheppandi. Range. Here you mean to say? Correct. Sir, you can do actually. That is called as a partition. But let me tell you, good question. But when it comes to know kind of some in between the frequency 0 to 100, 100 to 200, 300 to 400, by default, Matplotlib is doing actually. By default. Frankly speaking, this is a really good approach actually. So imagine The matplotlib is reading the data and it is applying the frequency. Sometimes even we don't know, once client have given the data, if you wanted to find out minimum value, maximum value, median, actually it takes a lot of time. You can still apply, sir. Possible actually. You can still apply. Do one thing. You can take this code actually. You can just say to ask to the chat GPT. Instead of 0 to 100, I just wanted to partition in between 0 to 50 like that actually. Definitely here and there some keyword argument. I'm sure on this. Okay. Cool. Back to the session. Where are we? So I hope I need to continue the topic. The topic name is called as a NumPy actually. NumPy. Let's move on. Are you following everyone? Yeah. Ayo. This is quite interesting topic, sir. It's all interesting ఉంటుంది NumPy topic. By standing, my voice base is a different actually. Good. Let's continue. So let me tell you, the point will be, what is the topic name, sir? Talk with me. NumPy. Good. In NumPy, what we are going to learn, first of all, understand the flow. First of all, understand the flow. I will tell you one ML flow. ML flow. Machine learning flow. What do you mean by ML flow, machine learning flow Daniel. Machine learning. This flow you cannot get from anywhere. Machine learning flow. The first one is called as a data. First one is called as, from the client we will get as a data. Data to the next one will get as a data frame. We need to convert into, did I cover this? Okay, let me cover. Data frame. Sir, after data frame, the third stage is called as a feature engineering. What is the third stage? Feature engineering. These are all stages in a data science project. First one data, the next one data frame, next one feature engineering, the next one array data. What data? Array. Array are so array data also we can say. Array in the sense, in Telugu, if you want, you can call your friend array or say something like that, right? Yeah. So same thing, right? Sorry for getting. Then after array, here it should be a machine learning algorithm, sir. What algorithm? This one is actual flow, sir. Please understand this one. Hey Daniel, I have a data. Okay, I have a data. Can I give directly this data to the machine learning algorithm? No, sir. Machine learning algorithm cannot digest the raw data actually. మీరు direct data ni ML algorithm కి ఇవ్వకూడదు. Then you have to convert from data to what exactly? Data frame. That is the next stage actually. Daniel, still can I provide directly data frame to the ML algorithm? No, sir. Even it cannot digest actually. You should not provide. Once we are getting the data frame may have missing value. May have. If the data frame having missing, did I cover pandas actually? Yeah, if I say missing value, so I hope you know the meaning of missing value. If the data frame having missing value, how ML algorithm can digest actually? Then you have to handle. Over the data frame, what are all operations we are applying? That is called as a feature engineering operations. What operation? Talk with me. What is the first one? Data frame, feature engineering. One more time. Data frame, feature engineering. Right. So, sir, after feature engineering, now you need to convert into array. Ultimately, machine learning algorithm likes array data, sir. What data actually? Array data. What data? Array data. ML algorithm even won't like these are all data. ML algorithm likes array data. We can create array by using NumPy. By using what exactly? Adi cinema actual. That's what you need to learn about the NumPy actual. Hey Daniel, what is array? Simple, it is a data structure. Simple, it is a data structure actual. Can I get a response from you? Man, these are all stages actually. Like a stage number 1, stage number 2, stage number 3, stage number 4, stage number 5, like that. Go for butterfly. Go for butterfly having some stages. Am I right or not, sir? Do you think directly butterfly will get actually? Yeah. Are you with me or not, sir? Initially it is having some stages. What are those stages actually? Ante first starting lo egg stage. Next gongulu purugula untundi. The next it is having some stages actually. Yeah, exactly. Same thing like that, ultimately ML algorithm need what data, sir? Array data. Array we can create by using NumPy. By using what exactly? NumPy. So you need to learn NumPy. I need a response from you. Take code. Small kick in detection. Machine learning. Tell me the flow. Data, data frame, feature engineering operations, feature engineering, array, machine learning. Good. Daniel, what is NumPy? Now the NumPy discussion will start. Hey Daniel, in Python, what all you teach Daniel actually? Simple man, a group of topics I explained. A group of topics. Mostly what are the topics I covered, Sir, data structures I covered. Yeah. Next one will be, these are all major. Functions topic I covered. The next one, oops topic. Major topic. Daniel, in Pandas, what you covered actually? So simple data structure I covered. What exactly I have covered? Data structure. When I say data structure, two. Talk with me. Series. The next one, data frame. Important. In real time, we are using both actual. Sir, Daniel, in NumPy, what we are covering? Simple man. One data structure we are covering, that is nothing but array. Conclusion of the story. Python also having data structure. Pandas also having data structure. NumPy also having. Let me tell you what is the difference. Python, Pandas, NumPy. Chapande, come on, sir. In Python, what all data structures would you have? Ayyo, chapande, list, tuple, set, dictionary. In Pandas, let us highlight only these four. First one is a series. Series or serial, sir? Yeah. The next one, data frame. Sir, yeah, panel, not much important, sir. Here it will be array. It will be array. Here is the story. Imagine I have given 10 crore values. How many values? 10 crore values. I am trying to telling do some arithmetic operation, some operation. I have given huge data set. If you have given 10 crore values, if you are asking some operation, Python data structure on an average, it may take, think like, 1 minute, sir, 60 seconds, think like that. How long time? 60 seconds. Pandas data frame, it may take on an average 20 seconds actually. How long time? Sir, array, it may take 0.2 nanoseconds actually. 0.2 what exactly? Think like that. In terms of the performance wise, storing not a problem for me. Any data structure can store actually. But what is the main high priority for me, Processing. Processing actually. When you're talking about the array, sir, think like Python data structure is something like a passenger actually. Pandas data structure is something like a super fast. NumPy data structure is something like a rocket speed actually. What speed mean? Did you understand? Like, super fast actually. Just for your better understanding. No, both are not same. Both are not same. Both are not same. Both are quite different actually. All right. If both are same, why two topics? Both are different. I'm sorry. I will cover you. More and more I will cover. Wrong assumption. Back to the session. Where are we? Think like this is general discussion. Passenger. This one will be express. Super fast actually. All right. I like one word, sir. What is that word? I guess actually. Vande Bharat. What is that? Tells kada Vande Bharat. Go back to the session, man. Now let's open the material. We are good to go. NumPy. So you can also call as a NumPy, but not NumPy, actually. NumPy is foundational package for scientific computing in Python. Especially if you wanted to apply numeric calculation. What calculation? Numeric calculation. NumPy is the best actually. It is a Python library that provides multi-dimensional array object. What dimension? Like a 1 dimension, 2 dimension, 3 dimension. It will give actually. I will talk with you. What do you mean by these are all? The full form of NumPy is a numerical Python, sir. The full form of NumPy is a, I mean to say, look at my screen, and NUM means numerical, PY means Python. NumPy was created by Travis Oliphant actually. What is an array? Simple, sir. Array is an object which stores group of values. Simple, array is a data structure. Array is a data structure. By this time, you should know the Python data structures and pandas data structures, boss. You will get a clear picture. It is also called as it is also called as ordered collection of values. And array can store it can store different type of values also, but the same type of values is highly recommended actually. Best example, if I am asking your age actually, then you have to give numerical actually. If you are telling your age will be A or B, sorry, invalid actually. Same thing like that, NumPy, still it can access heterogeneous data, but same data is the highly recommended actually. If it is the same data type, the processing speed is very speed. Why to use NumPy array? Python lists are bit slow in terms of process. Simple, straight to the point. Python list data structure is a little slow, sir. Little slow. But NumPy arrays are what exactly mean? Faster than Python list. The array object is a NumPy. It is called as a ND array. Repeating again. By using NumPy, we are going to create a array object. We are going to create that array object backend. It is representing with ND array. What do you mean by ND array? ND means number of dimension. Talk with me. Number. I mean to say 1D, one dimension array. Next one 2D, two dimension array. 3D, three dimension array. Anything you can say. మీరు ఎలా అయినా సరే చెప్పొచ్చు యాక్చువల్గా. ఓకే, లెట్స్ కంటిన్యూ. Open source, man. NumPy is a open source, means it's a free. It's a free actually. One quite interesting and one small twist actually. What is that one? You are right. Somebody is telling valid point actually. That I am going to cover. Siddiq sir. Siddiq sir, just now I have seen your question. Stages of what? Once we entered into the machine learning, I will talk with you actually. Okay. All right. So back to the session. Where are we? Having little. Okay. So let me look at this one. Open source. Good. Back to the session. Hey Daniel, how to what exactly install NumPy? Very simple, sir. How to install NumPy? Cheppandi. Pip install. Yeah, pip install what exactly? NumPy. But let me tell you one small point. Point number one. If we install pandas, if you install what exactly pandas, then NumPy is inbuilt actually. NumPy is, NumPy is inbuilt. In what exactly, sir? Built on top of pandas. On top of what exactly? Pandas. If you install pandas, you no need to install NumPy. Let me show you practical. అంటే మీరు pandas ని ఇన్స్టాల్ చేస్తే గనక NumPy ని స్పెసిఫిక్ గా ఇన్స్టాల్ చేయాల్సిన పని లేదు. Let me show you practically. I will do one thing. You can just try to open this one. If you already install pandas, pip uninstall pandas. I will install pandas in front of you. You will get an idea. Yeah. Let me install pandas, man. Important, sir. Madam, look at my screen. చూడండి. Somewhere can you see? Here it is. What you are installing? Pandas. But what it is collecting? Required. I mean, when you are installing pandas, backend pandas depends on NumPy. Pandas depends on. Conclusion of the story, whenever you are creating a data frame, trust me, backend it is an array again actually. But it will showing like a structured data. I will show you. You will get a later picture. What is exactly array, what is the data frame, you will get a clear picture actually. మీకు అర్థమైందా లేదా సార్? So my point will be, if I install pandas, do I need to install NumPy? If I didn't install pandas, go and install NumPy. And how to install NumPy, sir? Pip install. అయ్యో చెప్పండి, pip install. Yeah. So by default NumPy will be not available with the Python installation. It will not come with the Python default actually. Explicitly we need to install NumPy package. Run the below command and in a command prompt. Pip command in Python. Pip command. What do you mean by pip? I hope you already know by this time. Pip stands for Python installer package. Pip is a package management system. It is used for install manage software actually. Blah blah blah. These are all. Daniel, how to check actually? There is a one command. Command name is a pip show numpy. What is the command name? Yeah, it will display actually either it is installed. What kind of version would you have? Pip show numpy. Yeah. Yeah, good man. Here you can see. They will create and they will make it open source, sir. Open source chases, sir. Yo, you can just try to come here. What is the version, sir? 1.26. I hope I already told actually. So the moment whenever you are trying to installing any kind of some package, it hits the website. By default version, they will install automatically. Current version they will install. Do you want to see that? What version installed actually? A version installed in the 1.26, 1.26, 1.26. Daniel pip install numpy. Click on this one. Click on this one. And here itself, that is the default version actually. Seriously. 1.26, 1.26. But what we are getting here? 2.23. Then I need to restructure my Python again actually. That's what. Then, did you remember? 1 point. Pip install numpy. Let me just try to get. Oh, what happened, sir? When I was installing pandas, during that time backend it is using this version actually. What version? 1 point? So but the current numpy version is what exactly, sir? 2.23. That is okay. Still that is okay. Accepted actually. Sir? Good, sir. Good catch actually. Okay, good. So fine. I mean to say, daily there is a development. Python features they will release, pandas feature they will release actually. A set of features they will release weekly deployment, monthly deployment. There are some targets actually. Sir, let me tell you, for all open source packages, there is a open source team in the backend actually. Everywhere they are surrounded with this world. That is called as a contribution actually. What exactly, sir? Contribution. Can I explain about that? You will get an idea. Is it okay for you? Let me tell you. Let me explain like a small cooked story actually. What happened, first of all, Python is open source. Python is what exactly? Open source. Open source in the sense, who is the creator for Python? The creator for Python will be, who is the creator, sir? Come again? Guido van Rossum. Yeah, Guido van Rossum actually. But let me tell you, initially he has an idea. That idea he implemented actually. But Python is such a big one. It is not possible. It is what exactly, sir? Not possible to create the whole thing actually. To create what exactly, sir? To create the whole thing. Then he need a team. He need what exactly, sir? Team actually. He needs a team. Then what he will do, there is a one separate website. That website name is I will talk with you, Python Foundation actually. He will announce actually. What is that one, over kind of some article. I'm looking for open source developers. What source actually? Open source developers. What do you mean by open source developers? If anyone is already working in company, like let me tell you, imagine, let us take a Daniel. Let us take what exactly, sir? Daniel. I am working in Google company. Then I can apply this position actually. I can apply what exactly? This position. Now let me tell you, there is a charity. Charity means money we know actually. But here the charity is time actually. What is a charity, sir? I am working in Google, but in my free time, on an average 1 day time I can give, sir. Guido, sir, I like to work with you. Then that is called as, I'm looking for open source dev team actually. No pay, money ever actually. But what is the brand, What is the brand, sir? You are working with Python guy actually. That is amazing. Did you understand or not, sir? Right. So like that, in this whole universe, almost everyone connected actually, they do have a team, they will work together. These are all things they will do actually. He will pay for some other guys actually, not for everyone. That is called as a open source developer. Here These guys, they will contribute actually. It is called as a contribution. Can I tell one thing? Imagine, let us take a Daniel. I am working in some, I am working in Hyderabad, a kind of some company name, don't know anyone, company. So something company name. It's not like a popular small company. What company? Small company. Then at the same time, I am working with Python, Python open source team. Python what exactly? Open source team actually. Open source team. In my resume, what I can do, let me tell you, sir, important actually. In your resume, if you included working with what exactly? Python open source team. Python what exactly, sir? Open source team. Trust me, no interview actually. They will give the offer directly. Why? Because working with open source teams is not a joke actually. If you don't have a stuff, first of all, they cannot give offer for you actually. మీకు అర్థమైందా సార్? Best example, I'm working in small company. Luckily, I do have a good subject. I applied for the job, like a open source pandas. I wanted to work with them. Pandas guy, he taken interview. He satisfied. Then he is giving the task daily. On an average, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hours he is giving. I'm able to deliver within 1 month, 2 months actually. Then if I wanted to start my job trials actually, anyway, I'm permanent employee for one company. I'm planning to switch my company. Then if I include in my resume, rather than social network, LinkedIn, these are all in your resume, they will give one mail ID. That mail ID will be daniel@python.com. Daniel@python. What exactly? .org. If you have that mail ID, sir, no interview. They will take you directly actually. Why? Because they will understand, Are guy, this guy is working with open source team. That is a next level brand actually. Did you understand? Move on. Okay, where are we? We are working, so we have successfully installed NumPy. Daniel, I wanted to import NumPy actually. Then what we need to do? Import NumPy and print NumPy imported was what exactly, sir? Successfully. It's a very simple, sir. You can just try to come here. Done. Installed successfully. Import NumPy. The famous alias name is NP. What is the pandas alias name? Same thing like that. For every library, there is some famous alias name. It's not a mandatory, like you have to give NP, but all universal developers, they are habituated. All universal developers, they are what exactly, sir? Habituated actually. Module not found error. Imagine you are not installed pandas, you are not installed NumPy, but if you are trying to importing NumPy, you will get an error. Error name is the common error. The famous alias name. The famous alias name is a NP. We can give alias name to the NumPy. Note this name can be any name, but the famous alias name is what exactly, sir? NP actually. Yeah, this one is about the first introduction. You got an idea. Very simple, straight to the point. Daniel, did I told this point? Python is open source. Python is what exactly? Open source. I mean to say, we no need to pay any money. We no need to pay. No need to pay any money actually. Any money. Not only Python, all data science, almost all data science libraries are what exactly, no sir? Data science libraries are what exactly? Open source only. Open source. Open source only. Then, so best example, the one who created a Python. Previously, one student asked one question actually. Yeah, freely download. And what do you mean by open source? Somebody is asking, what do you mean by open source? You can download freely. We can what exactly, sir? Download freely, and we can use actually. We can what exactly, sir? Use. Best example, Amazon Prime membership. Amazon account is the free. Amazon account is open source. You can open actually. But Prime membership, you have to pay the money. Am I right or not, sir? Previously, one student asked a question, though it is open source, freely available, what is the advantage for Python? The one who created actually, what is advantage of, what is the benefit actually? What exactly mean benefit to creator actually? What is the benefit for what exactly? Now let me tell you, sir. Here is the story. There are some peoples in this universe actually. They are passion in their what they are working actually. Passion. Passion means what exactly? No? He created a great programming language. He don't want to make it that one is the price tag actually. The best thing he's giving as a free. That is amazing. Sir, if he collected at least just for $1 for one download, $1 for, ayo sir, he may become crorepati actually. మీకు అర్థమైందా సార్ నౌ let me tell you, you might aware about Google company. Am I right or not, sir? You can't believe 60% of all applications are running on top of Python. 60% of all applications are running on top of. Now Google company is thinking like such a great software he has given. It's the right time. That too, it is a open source. Let us help. Let us help actually. Recently, Google company have given how many dollars? $1 billion they have given as a, you can take a boss, so you also having the team actually, we will support you, something like that actually. That is like that. Do you wanted to see that? Google company funds to Python, so organization. Yeah, in addition, Google donated how much, man? 3,50,000. Do you think rupees actually? Dollars. Python Software Foundation, making company organization is what exactly first visionary sponsor actually. In 2021 they have given. Initially he didn't expect anything. He given the best actually. Later on he is getting the benefits. That's really beautiful actually. Google is one company like this. Why Google is giving money? Any idea? Yeah, exactly, sir. Google is using Python like anything actually. Will anyone give us a free just for without benefit actually? Google is using Python like anything. They need to support actually. They need to support. Even Google offered actually. Google offered a direct role in the Python creator. He worked Python creator. He worked with one project. Google something like a drive అనేదో project ఉంటుంది దాని మీద వర్క్ చేశాడు. Then later on he rejected actually. Now the Python creator is working with Microsoft company, I guess actually. I hope. Anyway, those are all not required. Like this, along with Google company, many companies are giving benefiting actually. All right, let's move on. Let's move on. Visionary sponsors: Google, Meta, Facebook is giving. Next one, Nvidia. Not a joke, sir. These are all actually. Microsoft is giving. Such a great actually. This how much they have given actually. Is it redirecting directly to their website or else just info? My system got stuck, sir. Hold on. Online team, are you following, sir? I'm sorry, it might be not technical discussion, but you should aware. It is open, please. All right. Many companies, many sponsors they do have actually. And these guys likes share with the new feature. Share with what exactly? That's what always the backend development is happening. They will release a new feature. Always the backend development is happening. They will release a new feature actually. Let me tell you, for every software company, how the product projects would you have? Python is one project actually. For the one who created Python. For the Python creator, Python we are calling as a programming language. For him it is a project actually. Pandas we are calling as a library. The creator for Pandas will be, it is a project. They will work actually. It's not like, sir, creating a programming language, living, not a joke actually. They should support lifetime. They should support lifetime. That's what So he built such a strong team actually. All are experts. Such a strong team. All teams they will work together actually. You can see he has a Twitter, LinkedIn. He will talk very nicely. I like that guy, Python creator. Oh my God. Data science became popular because of Python only, frankly speaking. Data science became popular because of Trust me on this one actually. Simply I cannot deliver any statement. Why? Because in Python the syntactically he made, sir, I have a good experience in 3 programming languages. I told, I guess, actually. Python, Java, Scala. Python I know very well. Java programming language. Frankly speaking, I'm master actually. Scala programming language also I know. Out of all these programming languages, my voting will be Python only. My voting will be, if anyone wanted to start your career, start from Python. I can directly tell, please don't go for other programming languages. I'm not degrading other programming languages, but Python is easy. Don't counter question. Why? Come again. If you're a fresher, these are all things, maybe they made it like a mandate, sir. Why? Because they need to follow the process according to the process, C, C++, Java. But you can tell directly, I'm very good in Python. Simple. Simple. That's what actually. Even good question. Let me tell you. When you're talking about the Java, sir, Java is master in web application creation. What creation? Web application creation. Kind of there is a project have client server architecture. What architecture? Like Amazon.in, Facebook.in, Meta.in, these are all. Let me tell you, Python is, master in data skill actually. What exactly? Data skill. Hey, do you have a data? Use Python to play with the data. But let me tell you, Java has a no scope over the data science. Why? Because, sir, Python have a lot of libraries. Best example, if you want, I will tell you one small difference actually. Imagine there is a image I wanted to load. Image wanted to load actually. Wanted to what exactly mean? Load. I wanted to do the image analysis actually. When it comes to Java, even the library is very less actually. Very less libraries. Very less libraries. But when it comes to Python, sir, lot of libraries. Talk with me. Lot of. There is a one problem. There is a library in Python. There is a one problem. There is a library in Python actually. So we can develop. But Java is the king actually in that area. Yeah, exactly. Good question. Somebody is telling Java is speed actually. It's okay, cool. Java is what exactly? Speed. But Python is slow. Python is what exactly? Slow. Accepted actually. But let me tell you, on an average, there is along with the Python, one library came. That library name is called as a Numba. What is the library name? NUMBA actually. Python became super fast actually. Python became what exactly? Super fast. After, Python plus if you want, let me search that one. There is some interesting theory. Hold on. NUMBA. Python. Is it fast? Number. It is just like a JIT. Python, has gained popularity for its ability. Significantly speed, sir, up to numerical computation. Now it can give double computation to any other programming language actually. Yeah, the library, many people don't know this one actually. That library name is called as a NUMBA actually. It's okay, I'm sorry, these are all out of technical discussion, but you should aware, like a GK actually for you. What is that? GK ante? You should aware. These are all topics. I'm sorry if I cross the boundary like, out of discussion. Did you feel bored actually? Yeah, good. Let me stop the session, sir. Follow the Google Classroom regarding tomorrow session. I may update end of the session. Mostly regarding Saturday session. Nageswara sir. Thanks for all these details. Yeah. All right, sir. Good. Let me just try to upload the material. NumPy. Okay, so here itself, let us upload only running nodes. NumPy material I can upload later actually. Thank you, team. We're done for today's session.